Today's recipe, let's cook some chicken strips with vegetable strips. In this recipe we need 2 chicken breasts, cut into strips. Season with salt, a dash of pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste, optional. Mix very well to coat the chicken with the seasoning. And this is ready to cook. Fry the chicken in a heated pan with a little oil until it becomes light brown. Once it's browned, remove from the pan and set aside until ready to use. Melt a sliver of butter in the same pan. Chuck in some chopped onion. Stir cook until it becomes soft. Add about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger strips, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped sage, a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Chuck in some carrot strips, green beans, 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce, a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Pour in 1/2 cup of water. Mix well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, add some zucchini strips and some sliced button mushrooms. Pour in a slurry of 1 tablespoon corn flour dissolved in 1/4 cup of water. Return the chicken. Mix very well. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, correct the seasoning with soy sauce and a dash of pepper. Mix well, and it's done. Serve hot with favorites, and enjoy.